Students, welcome back to the class. My today's topic is torque in Cartesian coordinates. Last time we did only the definition of torque, or we can say moment of force in detail, but today I am going to discuss with you the expression of torque in Cartesian coordinates. Let me first draw a diagram. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Let us consider a point P here and its coordinates are x, y. P point is here and its coordinates are x, y. Let us consider a force, that is this force F. With the help of this force, this point will turn and this will be the line of action of force. This will be the line of action of force and this will make an angle alpha. This will make an angle alpha with the x-axis. This will make an angle of alpha with the x-axis. After rotation at this point, when force F is applied here and after rotation at this point, turning effect takes place here, and when turning effect takes place here, then body rotates and reaches at point P dash. Body rotates and reaches at point P dash. Here this is position vector r and here angle is theta with the x-axis. But here this is angle is d theta and the displacement is dr. Here consider this displacement is dr and this position vector is r dash. This is r, this is r dash, and this displacement from P to P dash is dr. We consider displacement P to P dash is dr. Clear? Clear, beta? Then we take the displacement vector. The displacement vector is given by displacement vector. How can we write down displacement vector? Displacement vector is given by dr. This is dr is given by dxi cap plus dy j cap. Dxi cap plus dy j cap. Force is inclined force, so its effect will be in x direction and y direction also. Force is an inclined force, so its effect will be along x direction and along y direction will be also. So the component, the force will be, the force F is equal to Fxi cap plus Fy j cap. Consider it first. Force is inclined force, so its effect will be in x direction and also in y direction and also in y direction. Clear? Now the work done for small displacement dr is given by the work done for small displacement, dr is given by work done dw, small amount of work done is given by small displacement dr, that is dw is equal to F dot dr. Force into displacement, work done is force into displacement, all of you know. Then dw, what is F? F is this. F is Fxi cap plus Fy j cap. And what is dr? Dr is this. Dxi cap plus dy j cap. Okay. Then dw will be Fx dx plus Fy dy. This is I cap, j cap, I square is 1, I cap square is 1 and j square is also 1. Then it will be dw is equal to Fx dx plus Fy dy. Clear? Now see here, this is the angle alpha. This is the angle alpha. Okay, along with line of action of force, and this will be angle alpha. So see here, this is in this way. This is the force. This is the force, and inclined at an angle theta. This is the x direction. Fx is equal to f cos alpha, and Fy is equal to f sin alpha. This is in this. This is f. So this is alpha, angle alpha. See here, this is angle alpha. So it will be in this way. This is force. This is Fx, and this will be Fy. Clear? So Fx is equal to f cos alpha, consider, and Fy is equal to f sin alpha. Okay. So here dx. So and again consider this. This is the P point, and in this way this is Pxy. Clear? Along x-axis will be x, and along y-axis will be this will be y. This will be y. Clear? This will be y. This is position vector. See here, this is position vector r. This is x, and this will be y. Okay. So dx is equal to, let us consider dx. Here, from here dx. dw is, first of all we derive these values. From here, this triangle, this is theta. Angle is theta. So from here, we see here, from here, what will be the cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse is equal to cos theta. Base upon hypotenuse is equal to cos theta. What is base? Base is x, hypotenuse is r, and cos of theta. X will be r cos theta. This is second. Okay. And what is so from here differentiate we need dx, the value of dx. For value of dx we will differentiate this equation second. Differentiate both sides with respect to theta. Dx upon d theta is equal to, this is constant r. What is the differentiation of cos theta? That is minus of sin theta. All of you know. What will be dx? Dx is equal to minus r sin theta into d theta. Clear? Dx is minus r sin theta into d theta. Then we have, what will be y? Here sin theta. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to sin of theta. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is y. Y is equal to what is hypotenuse r, that is sin of theta. So y is equal to r sin theta. Y क्या आ गया? R of sin theta. So differentiate both sides for the value of dy. For the value of dy, we will differentiate both sides with respect to theta. Then dy upon d theta is equal to, or differentiation of sin theta is cos of theta. What will be dy? Dy is equal to or cos of theta and d theta. Okay, or cos of theta and d theta. This is the third equation. This is the third equation. Dy is equal to or cos of theta. Clear? Now from this equation dw, what was dw is equal to fx dx. This was the equation where we have to put the values of dx and dy. What will be the work done? But fx, what is dx? Dx is minus r sin theta. Minus r sin theta d theta plus what is dy? Dy is r cos theta fy, r cos theta d theta. Okay. dw is equal to fx. What is minus r sin theta? Minus r sin theta. See here, minus r sin theta d theta. Minus r sin theta d theta. See this equation. dx किसके बराबर है? यहाँ पर देखो dx is equal to minus r sin theta d theta. We can put here minus r sin theta d theta. What will be here? But minus r sin theta d theta. So from here fx, this is minus of r sin theta and plus fy or cos theta. We will take d theta common here. This is d theta. Now dw is equal to fx minus r sin theta. What will be minus r sin theta? Minus r sin theta will be from here minus r sin, this is minus r sin theta, and what will be the r sin theta? R sin theta is equal to y. This is y. So we can substitute here fx y. ये आ जाएगा minus fx y because minus is here, plus fy plus fy or cos theta. What is or cos theta? See here in equation second, or cos theta. Or cos theta is x. This is x, and बाहर आपका आएगा d of theta. Clear? Now dw is equal to, आप इसको लिख सकते हो x fy minus y fx. This is d theta. Clear? But in rotations, what will be the value of tau? What will be the value of work done? Well, the value of work done will be dw is equal to tau of d theta. Clear? This will be the equation 5. This is the 4th. But in rotation, dw is equal to tau into d of theta. Clear बच्चा? तो d ये सारा आपने पढ़ा हुआ है. dw is the relation क्या है वर्क डन का? जब हम रोटेशनल मेथड लेते हैं तो उसमें जो वर्क डन का जो रिलेशन है वो क्या आएगा? टाउ इंटू डी ऑफ थीटा. तो dw इसको आप कंपेयर करो. बाय कंपेयरिंग fourth and fifth, we have by comparing fourth and fifth, this is dw, this is d theta, but will be left here tau is equal to x fy minus y fx. This is the value of torque in Cartesian coordinates. This is the value of torque in Cartesian coordinates. Thank you. This is all about today. Students, welcome back to the class. My today's topic is torque in polar coordinates. Torque in polar coordinates. For this, let us take a diagram. This is diagram. This is x axis, this is y axis. Here is point P and coordinates are x, y. This is angle theta. This is position vector r. Here we apply force F, and this is line of action of force, and here angle alpha with the x-axis. Clear? We know that torque in Cartesian coordinates, torque in Cartesian coordinates is given by tau is equal to x fy minus y fx. Clear? ये हमने किया हुआ है अभी पहले किया था पहले लेक्चर में. torque in Cartesian coordinates is given by tau is equal to x fy minus y fx. Clear? Now we take another diagram. See, this is the force. This is x. The component of force in x direction is f cos theta, and the component of force in y is fy is equal to f sine of, sorry, here angle is alpha, so it will be alpha, f sine alpha, and this will be f cos alpha. Clear? Y component along y axis and along x axis it is f cos of alpha. Clear? And then see again one more diagram. This is point P, and here is position vector r, angle is theta. This is x and its component along x axis is r cos theta, and here is r sine of theta. Y is equal to r of sine of theta. Clear? Now tau is equal to, what will be tau? Tau is equal to, what is x? Now substitute these values in this equation, this equation. So what is tau? Tau is equal to what? X is or cos theta. Fy, what is Fy? Fy is f sine alpha minus, this is sine of minus, y is r sine theta. This is r sine theta. And what is fx? Fx is f cos of alpha. Clear? Tau is equal to rf is here, rf is here. This is common. Rf is common. Cos theta sine alpha minus sine theta cos alpha. Okay, this will be the formula. What is the formula here? Formula is sine alpha sine A cos B minus cos A sine B is equal to sine A minus B. ठीक है, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Sine A cos B, sine A cos B. Cos A sine B, sorry, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B is equal to sine A minus B. Clear? So this is tau is equal to, this will be RF sine alpha minus theta. Sine A minus B, sine alpha minus theta. Clear? This is sine A. Sine A cos B minus क्या आएगा? cos A sin of B. ठीक है? This is sine A minus B. So tau is equal to RF sine of A minus B sine of alpha minus theta. Clear? So tau, what will be the tau? Tau is equal to RF sine alpha minus theta. Sine alpha minus theta. What? In this triangle, this is the triangle. But in this triangle, we know that this produce here back, this angle is phi. This angle is phi. Phi is the angle between R and F. If this is phi, vertically opposite angles are equal. This is again phi. This is phi, this is phi. Because vertically opposite angles are equal. But here, see in this triangle, this is O, this is P, and this is A. Clear? So in triangle OAP, this in triangle OAP, in triangle OAP, alpha is equal to theta plus phi. Because all of you know, in triangle, when exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Sum of two opposite interior angles. What is exterior angle here? Exterior angle is alpha. Here exterior angle is alpha. And what are interior angles? This is theta and this is phi. Because the angle between R and F, this is phi. This is phi. When R is produced back, this is F. This is phi. Clear? If this is phi, this is also phi, vertically opposite angles, and this is alpha, and alpha is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Sum of two opposite interior angles, theta plus phi. So now phi from here, what will be here? Alpha minus theta is equal to phi. थीटा को आप ये वाली साइड ले आओ, अल्फा माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू फाई. तो फ्रॉम हियर टाउ क्या आ जाएगा आपका? टाउ इज इक्वल टू आर एफ साइन ऑफ फाई. आर माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू फाई. फ्रॉम दिस आर माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू फाई, वी कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस फाई हियर, and what is RF sin of phi? RF sin. We can write down R cross F. We can write down here R cross F. This is torque in polar coordinates. Thanks for today.